In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a lead-generating chatbot in Zapier. Our focus is on crafting a chatbot that not only engages with your audience, but also efficiently collects and qualifies leads. We'll walk through each step, ensuring that by the end, you'll have a fully functional chatbot ready to enhance your sales pipeline. Let's begin by understanding the foundation of your chatbot, the directive. The directive essentially serves as the chatbot's role or instruction manual, telling it how to behave, what tone to adopt, and the ultimate goal to achieve. For a lead generation chatbot, the directive keeps it honed in on gathering relevant customer information seamlessly and effectively. Imagine this like giving your chatbot a mission briefing. It knows exactly what to focus on and how to interact with your users. Now, moving on to the knowledge section in Zapier chatbots. This is absolutely critical because it acts as the chatbot's reference library. You supply it with key background information, which the chatbot will later use to guide conversations or answer questions. This way, instead of generating random or potentially incorrect responses, your chatbot relies on the information you've meticulously inputted to provide accurate and useful replies. Think of it like arming your chatbot with a well-stocked toolkit, ensuring it's always prepared to handle any interaction with finesse. Now, let's dive into the logic, which is arguably the heart of your chatbot. Zapier chatbots are equipped to handle different logic types throughout a conversation. This includes running a zap, gathering info, or even copying the content of a message to the user's clipboard, a versatile functionality to streamline engagements. Specifically, for our lead generation chatbot, we're interested in the logic for collecting leads. Inside the platform, you have the option to edit fields according to the data you aim to capture from your prospective leads. Additionally, Zapier allows you to organize this data by creating a new table or integrating it into an existing one, thereby customizing the storage exactly to your needs. Once you've set up the lead collection logic, the next step is to test it out. We'll need to give it a moment to finalize everything in the back end. After some time, put your chatbot to the test by prompting it to ask and generate leads. Observe as it flawlessly executes the designated tasks, proving the effectiveness of your setup. Finally, it's worth noting that Zapier provides additional sections you can tweak based on your preferences. Whether adjusting the dialogue flow or refining how leads are processed, these customizable options afford you flexibility to align the chatbot perfectly with your goals. And there you have it. Using Zapier chatbots to automatically capture leads is not only a time saver, but an efficient way to ensure your sales pipeline remains robust and ever-flowing. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!